Hey, what's up guys, Hazet here back with another video. And in today's video I will be showing you guys how to get free V-Bucks by simply playing Fortnite. But before start this video, let me clear that this video is not a scam or a clickbait. So make sure to watch the full video, and I promise you after watching this video, you will be able to earn some free V-Bucks. So let's get into the video. Okay, so for this video we are gonna use an app called playvig. Playvig is a free PC app what gives you rewards for complete different game challenges. Like if you win 2 Fortnite solo games you will get like $1, that's mean 100 V-Bucks. But before play each game you have to watch an ad video. But that doesn't make sense because those ads are really short, and it just takes you only 30 seconds to watch the ad. And also you can do it all the days. So let's stop talking and actually show how to use it. Okay, so at the first all you gonna do is just go to the link of the video description. And this will take you at this page. So you have to download this app playvig. So after the download complete, just install it and launch. After you launch you have to create an account. So just give your username, password and your PayPal email, because they are gonna pay you through PayPal. And now create a account. After complete creating your account, make sure to log in with your email and password. And you see all those games playvig support right now. As you can see they have Rocket League, CSGO, Fortnite, PUBG and few other games. But for this video we will just focus on Fortnite. So if you click on Fortnite you can see all these challenges and rewards they have for Fortnite. Now they have 2 types of offers for all the games. The first is the leaderboard and the second is quests. Now the leaderboard is little bit hard. Here you have compete against other players. But if you win you can make a lot. Like if you win the first one you get 200k coins. That's mean around $200. But it's not easy to do if you are not a very good player. So that's why they have the quest offers. What gives you rewards for completing game achievements. Like if you win one solo game you will get 500 coins, that's mean around 50 cents. In playvig 1k coins mean $1. What's is not really bad at all. Because you are getting paid for almost doing nothing. And also the thing I most like about playvig is that, even if you are not a pro player you can still earn points. I mean if you get down you can see some achievement, those are really easy. Like you get 60 coins for placed in top 15 in squad. Those are the achievements you can complete from the first day you start. I know the amount is not too much but still you are getting this for free. So you can't complain about it. Okay, so now let me show you how to exactly complete any quest from here. First you need to select the quest that you can complete. For this video I will choose this one. Now click on start quest. And it will show you a short ad video. So just watch the ad. And after you complete it will say you for playing Fortnite. So now just launch your game. Now please do not exit the video by looking at my V-Bucks. Obviously this is not my real account. I have more than 1000 V-Bucks in my real account. Okay, so now what you need to do is play the exact same mode that you have chosen playvig. And also make sure to minimize the playvig window too. And now you can move this icon wherever in your desktop. Now after you land from the battle bus, you can see the playvig icon's color has changed purple to green. So that's how you can know that it's working. Now feel free to complete your game achievement whatever that is. Now after you complete your achievement you can see that the green playvig icon has changed to yellow. Now if you click on playvig you can see it says result pending. So just wait for few seconds so playvig can add the coins to your account. And now as you can see that they have add coins to my account. So that's how you can earn coins from here. After having a certain amount of coins you can redeem your coins through playvig shop. You can get different gift cards and also Steam Cash too. So as you can see they have Fortnite V-Bucks too. You can get 1000 V-Bucks for 10,440 coins. But I do not have that coins yet. So when I will have that amount of coins I can redeem it through PayPal. The payout takes 2 to 3 days. So when I receive that money I can use for buy some V-Bucks for myself. So that's it for today's video guys. I will definitely recommend you to check out playvig if you want to earn some free V-Bucks. because this is the fastest and the easiest way to get free V-Bucks. And also guys, check out playvig YouTube channel too. They have the same types of tutorial video as mine but for all the different games they support. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this. And feel free to comment if you having any issues. I will try my best to reach each of you. And my name is Hazet and see you on the next one.